Good day, boss. Are you still looking for a control valve?
This control valve YA50721 for Hitachi JS280-5G, JS300-5A, and JS290L-5G. Refurbishment control valve rebuilt with quality parts, delivers consistent hydraulic pressure management, improves motion stability under heavy loads, a durable solution for minimized downtime.
If you are looking for a control valve, just contact us. Auto Pass, Auto Price, Auto Now.